regarding. Okay. Yes, Shivani.
Yes, sir. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू पर बोले।
Yes, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes, sir. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad, Prayagraj. His father's name was Motilal Nehru. His mother's name was Swarup Rani. His wife's name was Kamala Nehru. He studied law in England. He became a barrister lawyer. He later how he joined the strong he joined the struggle he joined the struggle for independence against the time British. He went to he went to jail several times. Yes, sir, हो गया.
Very nice. Now, Sakshi,
आए थे क्या? मैं वॉशरूम गया था.
please say something.
उधर आए थे क्या? नहीं.
Hello, Sakshi.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
please say
sir.
something. Please say something regarding Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 40 November 1889, Allahabad, Prayagraj. His father's name was Motilal Nehru. His mother's name was Swarup Rani. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru studied law in England. He was a India important and fought for India's freedom. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1955. Nehruji was very fond of children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru death on 27 May 1964 due to a arrest.
It's done.
हाँ sir.
Okay. Now, Julie, please say something regarding today's topic, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes.
Yes, sir. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a Greek leader. He was born on 14 November 1889 1889. His father's name was Motilal Nehru. His mother's name was Swarup Rani. He plays a very important role to get India. He loved children very much. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He died on 27 27 May 1964.
It's done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Riya. So, please say something regarding today's topic, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes.
So Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad, Prayagraj. and he was our first minister. He fought he fought the he was involved in our freedom fighters, um, our war with freedom fighters, and he played a very important role in that. Um, Jawaharlal Nehru had honored with Bharat Ratna Prize in 1990 and 1955, and um, he was also known as Chacha Nehru. Um, on his birthday, we celebrate our Children's Day. Um, his daughter Indira Gandhi had even became um, a minister in our India. She became the Prime Minister of India, I think. Yeah, she became the first woman Prime Minister in India, and there are yes, sir.
Yes. So, Prakash ji, can you say something regarding Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, or you have no time right now?
I'm busy in another work, so you carry on.
Okay,
Sorry.
okay. So, kids, do you know Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also called like Chacha Nehru? Yes, they love kids.
So, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible, Shreya. So first of all, Shreya, yesterday evening your PPT and explanation is very nice. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So Shivani, can you say five new words you remember? Shivani, where is Avnish? Avnish is present or no?
Yes,
Julie,
sir.
Avnish is here. Avnish, Julie. Hello, Julie. Please,
Yes, sir.
Avnish, please say something regarding today's topic, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes.
Yes, sir. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great lesson. He was born on 40 November uh, 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 18
1889.
1869. His father
name was Motilal Nehru. His mother's name was Surpankhar. He played a very inter route to reach India. Proved he loved children very much. Children loving Kelham Chacha Nehru.
Yes, it's done, Avnish.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so can you say something regarding 5 new words you remember yesterday? Avnish,
Yes, sir.
please say 5 new words.
HABIT habitat आदत MAGIC imagine जादू HEAB वफादार SOLUTION Sultan पत्नी DIVAN दीवान GAB इंडिया LIVE रखता था ESH हर एक HABIT हैबिट आदर MAGIC जादू
Yes, Avnish, please read out. Chapter that you read out yesterday, yes?
Yes, sir. सबसे फोन के डिलीट बस बस मैंने
Direct you send us direct 14 number chapter, Avnish.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday you shared 14th chapter direct.
Yes, sir.
Why? It's a serial number needed, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why you send direct 14th chapter name? Okay, no problem. But try to read out sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 as like 3, 12, 13. Please read out. Read out. Hello, Avni? Yeah. अवनीश को पढ़ने में ज्यादा मन नहीं लगता है, क्रिकेट खेलने में लगता है ज्यादा मन लगता है ना जूली?
Yes, sir.
That's why the reason. अभी तक हम साक्षी को शिवानी को बोले रहते तो आधा अभी तक पढ़ दी रहती, और अवनीश अभी तक किताब ही ढूंढ रहा है, किताब गया किधर?
साक्षी शिवान को बोलते तो आधा पढ़ भी रखती। अमीश को बोले यहाँ पे कहाँ किताब का पेज ढूंढता।
So, Sakshi, please say 5 new words you remembered.
And Miss Bhumi ji are went around. Miss Bol, I like Miss Samanya, MOV, Miss Bhumna, HUMS, Haman, Miss Manusya, WST, Miss Parisham, SHIN, Sense, Miss Chamakna, HOPD, Hopadam, Asaki. आर्या मूवी मिस उत्तर दी टाइम वर्ड मिस समय सूचक शब्द।
Sakshi, you also, Sakshi and Julie, same chapter same? 14th number?
नो सर, सर हम पहले भेजे थे उसके बाद वो भेजा।
No, but please say continuous, means like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as like chapter. Yes, not 1, 14, 3, 20, as like. Yes,
यस सर।
please read out.
क्या सर?
यही टू फ्रेंड्स एंड द बियर्स जो चैप्टर है वो पढ़ो।
यस यस सर। Two friends live in a big town. Their names very big and sunny. One day their mates a plans to go to see a forest. One day in the morning they stay for the forest. The is there for now. The
हेलो
we are
साक्षी,
very happy to see the butter of nature. The we enjoy it suddenly. There's a big black bear coming towards there. The bear first view can swim on the tree. So he ran up to a tree and clambered on the very the hid not in a little but his friend.
हेलो साक्षी,
Yes, sir.
you read out but a lot of words you missing. Yes, and try to read out each and every word carefully, not fast. Yes, as
Okay,
like
sir.
two friends lived in a big town. Their names were Basu and Sanju. Yes, you
Yes.
never say I like Basu and Sanju. You say something like ignore type. Yes, so you need to clear word. Yes, their
Yes,
name
sir.
here Basu and Sanju. One day they made a plan to go to see a forest.
Yes,
Please
sir.
please read out once again from
फिर
start.
से sir.
Yes.
Two friends. Two friends live in a big town. Two friends living in a big ta- town. Their names were Manju and Sanju.
And Sanju. Hello, Basu and Sanju.
One day they met a place to go to see a forest. One day in the morning, the stray for the
Wait,
forest.
wait. For the forest. One day in the morning, they started for the forest.
For the forest.
They
Is the before now. They were very happy to see the beauty of nature. The very enjoying it. Suddenly, there was a big black bear coming toward there. The bear forgot Anjuki can climb on a tree, so he ran up to tree and clambered on it very quickly. He did not think a little about his friends. Sanju did not know how to climb a tree, but he was not left. He turned for a chance to remove. The wild animal did not stay on the was so he at once fell on the ground and held his breath. The bear came to sense him and the was dead, so he went always where the bear had gone far away. When you come down the tree and went to his friends, he smelled the Sanju. Why did not bear slip into so ice? Sanju refused the bear against me to keep always for false friends like you. बोल दिए सर.
but you read out, but try to capture each and every word. I seen a lot of words you missed. Yes,
क्या सर?
बहुत सारे वर्ड को तुम छोड़ देती हो. Try to read out each and every word clearly.
Okay sir.
And those words you don't know, please try to write down in notebook and try to understand what the meaning of this word.
Okay sir.
Yes. Yes, Avnish, now you are ready? Avnish? Hello, Avnish.
Two friends living in a big town.
Town. Friends lived in a big town.
Names were
Their names. Who you never try to miss any word. Their names were.
and
Hello. Please read out
yes
once
sir.
again. Please read out once again. Two friends
Two friends lived in a big
never try to speak any word. Yes. You have practiced, na? I told you yesterday. First of all, please try to read out first time and find out which word you have no idea. Yes, and try to understand those meaning. Please read out once again. Two friends lived in a big town. Miss,
Yes, sir.
yes, please read out once again from start.
Two friends lived in a big town. Their
There,
name, their names were Was and Su and
hello,
they
hello, their names were Basu and Sanju. SNJU Sanju, BASU Basu. Okay,
Basu and Sanju
names Basu and
one
Sanju.
day one day they are
One day, अंडे नहीं, one day.
one day plus accident.
Yes, Avnish.
Yes, sir.
One day they made a plan to go to see a forest. One DAY day, THEY day, MAD made a plan to go to see SEEC a forest. You read out or not at home? You read out or no? पढ़ा था या नहीं पढ़ा था घर पे? तो साक्षी साक्षी भेजी थी उसी पेज को भेज दिए, काम खत्म। अभी तो गर्मी की छुट्टी है, इतना टाइम है, केवल क्रिकेट खेलेगा, गांव में घूमेगा, काम चलेगा? थोड़ा मेहनत तो करना पड़ेगा ना बराबर। यही तो एज रहता है बच्चे लोगों को सीखने का, पढ़ने का। प्लीज रीड आउट, डजंट मैटर। यस,
Made a plan to go to see a priest on the in the morning. They sweat for the priest. They received there before now. They were very happy to see the beauty of nature. The were enjoying it. Sunil, they feel a big step. We are coming to was THM them they were and was no sitting on a tree. So he ran up to a tree and leaned on it very he did not thank a Sanju. Sanju did not know who to climb a tree, but he was not big a late and that wild animals did not attack on their ones. So he at once that fell on the ground and held breath. The bear coming to as him. Second him and that he was there, so he went and when the bear had going for was it was come down the tree and went to his friend. He said and asked Sanju, what did the bear which in you ear? Sanju when the bear abuse need to keep ask from best friend like you.
So, Avnish, you understand what's your problem?
No, sir.
I think you first time read out this chapter today. Before today, you read out or no this chapter? तुमने इस चैप्टर को आज से पहले पढ़ा था या नहीं पढ़ा था?
कितना चैप्टर सर?
14
नो सर, नो सर.
नहीं पढ़े थे, हम बोले थे ना कल पढ़ने के लिए ना, पढ़ने के लिए जो वर्ड नहीं आते हैं वो लिखने के लिए, वो वर्ड को याद करने के लिए. थोड़ा मेहनत तो करना पड़ेगा ना बराबर।
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shivani, please say 5 new words. Shivani,
Mic on करना mic on.
hello Shivani,
सर बोले ए बी एल एप्पल एप्पल मीन्स योग्य ए एल आई लाई मीन्स झूठ बोलना यू आर टी सपोर्ट मीन्स समर्थन सपोर्ट मीन्स समर्थन एल आई लाइफ साइकिल मीन्स जीवन काल LIV living create and living जीवित वस्तु
you have done 5 words.
Yes, sir.
यही नहीं है कौन कौन से 5 words है? Yes, please read out. Those chapters you read out yesterday.
Behold, the wisdom of Behold was upper led Emperor Akbar was very fond of Birbal Akbar's brother-in-law and many courtiers were very jealous of him. The brother-in-law even asked the emperor to dispense with Birbal's service and appoint him in his place, but Akbar refused. This made one courtier extremely jealous of Birbal. Now this courtier always wanted to be the chief minister, but this was not possible as Birbal was emperor's favorite. He did not like Akbar pressing Birbal often in the front. One day he said to Akbar to test the intelligence of Birbal by asking 3 of his questions. If Birbal cloud answered the questions, then he would what letter the word? The fact that Birbal was really intelligent, sure about Birbal's wit, Akbar readily agreed to ask Birbal the 3 questions which the frontier had the frontier looked at Birbal Akbar took the first question. How many stars are there in the sky? To answer the question, Birbal
about a hairy ship and said, "There are as many stars in the sky and the sky." To answer the question, Birbal brought a hairy ship and said, "There are as many stars in the sky as there are here on the ship's body. My friend Contier is welcome to count them if he doubts my answer." There was a loud laughter in the count. Akbar laughed too and grasped at Birbal with pride. Then he took Contier's second question: "Where is the center of the earth?" Birbal thought a second and then drew a couple of lines on the floor and an iron rod in it. Akbar and all the courtiers were shocked to see what Birbal was doing. Akbar asked Birbal, "What do you mean by this?" Birbal replied calmly, "This is the center of the earth. The courtier may measure it himself if he had any doubt." The courtier had no word. He grunted and started at Birbal. Akbar asked the third question: "How many crows are there in our city?" In answer to the third question, Birbal said, "Counting the exact number of crows would be a problem, as there may be some who must have gone to their relatives, and some whose relatives would have come to meet them. They can only be counted when they started in their homes. If my good friend can give me the list of bush crows and the list of those who have gone out, I can give you the exact number of crows in our city." There was a hearty laugh in the count of Birbal once again proceeded by he was the favorite of Akbar.
Julie, please read out.
सर बुक पढ़े
First of all, please say 5 new words you remembered or no.
new word yes sir STRONG strong मतलब मजबूत, MUST मस्ट मतलब SIC मतलब बीमार, NATUR मतलब प्राकृतिक, WHO मतलब कौन, PLAC प्लेस मतलब जगह, OTHER अर्थ मतलब दूसरा।
Okay, now start your
क्या सर?
reading chapter. Read out.
फील kill what hanging, feel what setting, the wings what keep the priest with children children con con
Concealed in the
क्या सर?
concealed
Concealed in the mango leaves
leaves.
leaves thun
Yes,
taste the
thou
height
singest
hast pits 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 Sindend weak in my soul 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 a thousand
thousand
thousand mm, mem memories
memories.
was was
Why? नहीं only
was
why?
why so reads
Restless.
let's that
Restless.
rest
Restless.
rest
Restless.
rest
Rest.
rest that
Why?
the
Spark.
spark she donned
Shading.
then she
Shading.
died notes go thoughts killing breathe
Fire.
fire blow the rose are on fire which winds and waters
Waters.
mm,
Catch.
catch the seeds of mangoes brown नहीं
What?
burn what a run 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 of speaks what a run
Rain.
of rain of sparks earth नहीं ये earth town or later bride
What a rain of sparks art thou, O little bird.
what is
What lighting fair, what shined thy wings.
kill what lighting kill what sing down the wings. The free of love has chilled my wings and made me and see and we I am restless. Where is my mm, beloved?
Beloved.
Beloved, the setting,
The sight of
the set,
the
the sight of mango mm, blossom, blossom, blossoms, uh, freeze
fires
me of
fires me.
fires me all the more the green greener
The greener the garden, the
greener the garden, the bring
brighter burns my
brighter burn my head.
okay. So I think all you are not doing great homework. Yes, you are trying only to send a photo. That's okay. Everything is all done. At home, never all you are never try to do something, right? Oh, yes, Shivani, can you say something regarding noun, pronoun, as like Shreya shared with all of you? Please.
A noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word, place, person, animal, thing, things, etc. Example: Mohan, Sohan, Geeta, Rita. Now there are five kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and apostrophic noun. A pronoun is used to place of a noun. There are eight kinds of pronoun. For, for personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, indicative pronoun, and descriptive.
Yes, Shreya, what's your view? What's your guideline for our kids? Shreya, how can we improve reading English?
Third,
Yes, Shivani.
pronoun और possessive pronoun का definition भी याद है.
क्यों नहीं बोल रही?
Personal pronoun is used in of noun. Example: first person, second person, and third person. Possessive
So positive position mine example mine our your him he heard to there.
Okay, okay, very nice, Shivani. So, Sakshi, can you say something regarding noun? What is noun? How many types of noun?
Proper noun, common noun, correlative noun, material noun, adjective noun. A noun is the name of a person, animal, thing. Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Sita, Gita. A proper noun is a word used in place of a noun. I, we, you, he, she, it, them.
Proper noun? Proper noun, are you there?
Proper noun का बोले सर?
No, no, no. What are you saying? And you know pronoun? What is pronoun?
सर क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
जैसे तुम नाउन बता रही हो कि नाउन का डिफिनेशन दिए हो ना, वैसे प्रोनाउन जानती हो? प्रोनाउन, प्रोनाउन क्या है?
वर्ड है सर. हम बोले
तुम तो बताई हो. जूली, डू यू नो नाउन? क्या तुम नाउन के बारे में बताओगी कुछ?
Proper noun, common noun, relative noun, characteristic noun, adjective noun.
व्हाट इज नाउन? नाउन का डिफिनेशन बताओगी? व्हाट इज नाउन?
Yes, sir. A noun is the name of person, place, animal, of thing.
थिंग्स.
Example, Ram, Sita, book. सर प्रॉपर नाउन का
प्रॉपर नाउन, नाउन कितने तरह के होते हैं? कितने प्रकार के होते हैं नाउन? हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन?
सर 5.
कौन कौन?
प्रॉपर नाउन, कॉमन नाउन, मेटेरियल नाउन, फ्लैक्टरी नाउन और एब्जेक्टरी नाउन.
Subject noun.
एब्जेक्ट
Do you know pronoun? The definition of pronoun and how many types of pronoun? प्रोनाउन पढ़ी है कि नहीं? चलिए आप बताई थी ना इतना अच्छा से.
यस सर पढ़िए.
याद है या नहीं? डिफिनीशन प्रोनाउन किसको बोलते हैं?
हाँ यस सर. A word which is used in place of a noun is in called a proper noun. Example, he is my friend.
How many types of pronoun? तुम जानती हो प्रोनाउन कितने प्रकार के होते हैं?
No sir.
पढ़ाई तो करना पड़ेगा. होमवर्क तो थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ेगा. बोले ना आराम से एक चैप्टर डेली का पढ़ो. पढ़ने के बाद में जो जो वर्ड नहीं आते हैं उसको नोट डाउन करो और वर्ड समझ लेने के बाद, याद कर लेने के बाद फिर पढ़ो एक बार दो बार. डेली कम से कम 3-4 बार पढ़ोगी ना एक चैप्टर को, तब कल सुबह में हम जो बोलेंगे पढ़ने के लिए तो अच्छा से पढ़ पाओगी। केवल फोटो भेज दोगी तब तो रहेंगे ना, समझ रही हो?
Yes, sir.
प्रैक्टिस करोगी, उसके बाद यहाँ बोलना रहेगा तो अच्छा से बोल पाओगी। अगर घर पे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगी, वर्ड मीनिंग याद नहीं करोगी, तो फिर सेशन में तो फर्स्ट टाइम जब पढ़ोगी तो मिस्टेक तो रहेंगे ही, बराबर। कुछ टाइम पढ़ाई पर बिताओ, इंग्लिश पर बिताओ। स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम दिखता है, समझ रही हो ना, कोई भी काम करने में स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा दिखता है कि बहुत भारी है, कैसे क्या होगा, लेकिन अच्छा से डेली एक चैप्टर डेली पढ़ोगी तो कुछ दिन बाद अपने माइंड में कब होगा कि हाँ ये वर्ड जानते हैं, सारे वर्ड्स जान रहे हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिक वो सब चीज आसान होते चले जाते हैं। ठीक है ना? सो शिवानी, which topic you will discuss tomorrow?
सर कल का टॉपिक
क्या?
डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद।
Our first president, you know?
डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम।
ठीक है, राजेंद्र प्रसाद को रहने दो अभी, उसके बाद में आएंगे हम लोग इधर, ठीक है? से बात कर लिए, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू पे बात कर लिए, सुभाष चंद्र बोस के ऊपर बात कर लिए, राइट? अभी हम लोग डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी के बारे में तो हम तुम लोग को बोल रहे हैं कि जो चैप्टर तुम लोग स्टार्ट करो तो 1 2 3 4, ऐसा नहीं कि आज दूसरा चैप्टर पढ़ लिए, कल 15वां चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे, परसों 10वां चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे, ऐसे नहीं। जो बुक बनाने वाले भी होते हैं ना, वो सीक्वेंस से बनाते हैं।
और ये पंकज जी,
यस, प्रकाश जी।
बच्चों को पता नहीं है नाउन प्रोनाउन और पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच, ये 12th तक पीछा छोड़ने वाला नहीं है चीज, और कंपटीशन में भी नहीं छोड़ने वाला है पीछा।
यस, जितना जल्दी
इसको घोट के पी जाओ और डेली इसको पीते रहो,
यस,
तभी तुम है ना कलेक्टर है ना बन पाओगे। वहाँ भी पूछा जाएगा ये सब चीजें, और वहाँ भी है ना, वहाँ भी अच्छे अच्छे को नहीं आता ये सब चीजें।
जैसे गांव का नाम पता है ना, अपना नाम पता है ना, तो वैसे ही कोई भी चीज प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद में ऑटोमेटिक वो आ जाता है माइंड।
हाँ, ये आप सही पकड़े। जैसे हमको गांव का नाम पता रहता है, कहीं भी उल्टे सोते रोते कहीं भी पूछ लेता बता सकते हैं, वैसे ही हमको नाउन प्रोनाउन एडजेक्टिव ये जिस पार्ट उसके बारे में कंटेक्स्ट याद होना चाहिए। अगर कोई सोते हुए को उठा के पूछे तो फटाफट बता सके। अब विद एग्जाम्पल, इतना घोटो कि विद एग्जाम्पल याद है, फिर इंग्लिश अंग्रेजी तुम्हारे पीछे पीछे आ जाएगा।
जैसे तो हमारा इतना ही कहना है, तुम लोग पहले चैप्टर पढ़ो और सीक्वेंस में जाओ। ऐसा नहीं कि पहला पढ़े उसके बाद 15वां पढ़ेंगे, ऐसा नहीं। फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड चैप्टर बना हुआ है ना, वैसे ही पढ़ाई करो। आज जो चैप्टर पहले चैप्टर पढ़ो और उसमें फाइंड आउट करो कि कौन कौन से वर्ड तुमको नहीं आ रहे हैं। जो वर्ड तुमको नहीं आ रहे हैं ना, वो तुम नोटबुक में राइट डाउन करो। उसके बाद उसका मीनिंग समझो, फिर 2 से 3 बार पढ़ाई करो, चैप्टर को 2 से 3 बार पढ़ो। देखो कल सुबह आओगी तो ऑटोमेटिक तुम एकदम तोता जैसे बोलती रहो। लेकिन अगर घर पे प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करोगी तो लाइफ में फिर हर समय वो नया के नया ही रहेगा। ठीक है? जैसे बच्चे लोग देखते हो ना, जब जिस टाइम में बच्चे खड़ा होते हैं, कितना प्रॉब्लम आता है उसको। फर्स्ट टाइम जब बच्चे खड़ा होते हैं, समझ रही हो ना, 10 बार गिरता है फिर भी खड़ा होने के लिए वो तत्पर रहता है। हर चीज में होता है सीखने में। सीखने के टाइम में मिस्टेक होते हैं, लेकिन बच्चे को देखते हो ना 50 बार गिरता है लेकिन फिर भी वो खड़ा होने के लिए ट्राई करता है, एक दिन दौड़ने लगता है। ठीक है ना? और बच्चा पहले ही खड़ा सोचे कि नहीं नहीं मैं तो खड़ा नहीं होऊंगा, तो कभी नहीं खड़ा हो पाएगा बच्चा। लेकिन जैसे बच्चे के माइंड में रहता है कि नहीं इतने सारे लोग दौड़ रहे हैं, चल रहे हैं, हम क्यों नहीं दौड़ेंगे, हम क्यों नहीं चलेंगे। वैसे ही बच्चे लोग का रहता है। फर्स्ट टाइम वो खड़ा होते हैं, फिर धीरे धीरे वो कितना भी गिरते हैं, कितना भी हजारों बार क्यों ना गिरे, लेकिन खड़ा होना चलना वो छोड़ता नहीं है। बराबर। वैसे ही कोई भी चीज का सीखना होता है। अगर तुमको सीखना है, थोड़ा पढ़ना होगा, थोड़ा वर्ड याद करना होगा। डेली रूटीन ही बनाना है कि डेली हमको कुछ वर्ड मीनिंग याद करना है, कुछ चैप्टर पढ़ना है, कुछ ग्रामर पढ़ना है। डेली का 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा टाइम इसमें हमको देना है। जैसे बच्चे को देखो ना, हर बार गिरता है फिर भी वो छोड़ता नहीं है कि नहीं हमको चलना है तो चलना है, हमको दौड़ना है तो दौड़ना है। कुछ बच्चे लोग देखो जो साइकिल सीखता है स्टार्टिंग में, कितने बार गिरते हैं वो लोग, लेकिन वो फिर भी वो छोड़ता नहीं, सोचता है नहीं नहीं हमको सीखना है।
उनको भी नहीं आता खाना, हम हिंदी से सीख गए।
वही होता है कि स्टार्टिंग में सबको पहाड़ लगता है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे वर्ड मीनिंग तुम नया नया जानोगी ना, नया नया चीज 2 4 5 डेली का नया नया वर्ड जानोगी, पढ़ाई रीडिंग करने का प्रैक्टिस करोगी, थोड़ा सा ग्रामर भी जानोगी, तो ये चीज होते होते माइंड में, जैसे हमारे माइंड में हिंदी वर्ड माइंड में जैसे है ना अभी स्टोर, वैसे ही धीरे धीरे इंग्लिश वर्ड भी जब स्टोर हो जाते हैं, फिर वो आराम से जैसे अवनाश से लोग बात करते हैं वैसे बात करने लगोगी। लेकिन अगर कोशिश ही नहीं करोगी, याद ही नहीं करोगी कुछ वर्ड्स, प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करोगी कैसे बोलते हैं, कैसे रीड आउट करना है, तब तो वो हर समय वो नया के नया ही रह जाएंगे। ठीक है? तो प्रैक्टिस करने का अर्थ है डेली नया कुछ वर्ड्स स्टोर करना है अपने माइंड में, याद करना है, रीड आउट करना है अच्छा से। हाँ? और कल राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी के ऊपर इसे लिखना है और अच्छा से अच्छा बोलना है। ठीक है? जूली समझ गई ना? कल का इससे है राजेंद्र प्रसाद।
Yes, sir. Rajendra Prasad.
So Shreya, you want to say something more? Shreya, please unmute.
No, sir.
What's your guideline regarding our kids? Because kids are never try to do something in homework. Yes.
So my opinion is that do something, but do enjoy, not from like pressure that wanted to do only. Do like we are enjoying it and we have to means learn English, and then we are comfortable in any person with any person. So thing I have to do, but not to do in pressure, do with happiness. How much you can do, but do daily.
But homework needed, I think homework needed. Without homework, it will take
Yes,
more and
sir.
more time.
Home.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Homework is needed, but like if we are doing it in pressure, then that thing like we are not doing from our heart. So we will not like thoroughly read the chapter. We'll just read it faster and end it. We will not understand the meaning of the chapter. Then no means like no use to read the chapters. First we have to understand and then we have to read the chapter. So yeah. So not understand what is the meaning of the chapter, so they can like read the chapter again and read every word. And yeah, sir.
Nice. वैसे ही टाइम पे आते रहो, थोड़ा सा होमवर्क भी करती रहो, ठीक है। धीरे धीरे तुम लोग को ऑटोमेटिक माइंड में आएगा कि हाँ मतलब अच्छा सुधार हो रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा और मेहनत करने की जरूरत है, थोड़ा सा और मेहनत करने की जरूरत है, ठीक है। साक्षी, ओके गुली, बाय बाय।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5. Okay, bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.